Welcome to our channel. Did you know that even while we sleep, our bodies have the ability to cleanse and protect our arteries? In today's video, we'll reveal some secrets to help you purify your blood vessels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and maintain long-term health. With today's diet high in processed foods, fried dishes, and fast food, our arteries can easily become clogged, impacting overall health. So, what natural foods can help cleanse the arteries? Join us as we explore the top 10 amazing foods you can add to your daily diet to support your body optimally. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest health tips. 1. Avocado. Avocado is often called the perfect food. It offers many health benefits. When looking to cleanse the vascular system, instead of using mayonnaise to add richness to salads, we should replace it with thin slices of avocado. This fruit helps reduce bad cholesterol levels, thereby preventing cholesterol buildup in the arteries and keeping them clear. 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate contains a high amount of antioxidants, even more than other sources like raspberries, blueberries, and oranges. These antioxidants help prevent plaque from adhering to artery walls. Adding pomegranate to your daily diet can help the body combat the development of conditions related to arterial plaque, while reducing stress on blood vessel cells. This helps arteries stay open and promotes better blood flow. 3. Turmeric for artery health. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces inflammation and helps clear fat deposits from the arteries, thus preventing diseases such as high blood pressure and arterial sclerosis. 4. Fatty fish. Certain types of fish, such as salmon and tuna, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish is excellent for vascular health and should be incorporated into daily meals to help prevent the formation of bad cholesterol and blood clots. It is considered an effective artery-cleansing food and may even help reduce blood pressure. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit rich in lycopene, which is beneficial for improving blood circulation and reducing the risk of arterial plaque. Additionally, the amino acid L-citrulline found in watermelon helps lower blood pressure and widens blood vessels by stimulating nitric oxide production. It also aids in modifying blood lipids, reducing abdominal fat accumulation. Adding watermelon to your diet is essential for maintaining clean arteries. 6. Broccoli. According to research from the London Medical College, UK, consuming at least one serving of broccoli daily can significantly prevent arterial blockages. Broccoli is high in sulforaphane, which helps the body utilize proteins to prevent plaque buildup in arteries, improving blood pressure and kidney function. Additionally, its high vitamin K content prevents calcium from damaging arteries, reducing the risk of artery calcification and even bone fractures. 7. Garlic. Garlic offers numerous health benefits, especially when eaten raw. An easy way to naturally cleanse the arteries is by including garlic in your daily meals. Research from the Mainz Cardiovascular Center in Germany has found that garlic consumption helps prevent aortic hardening and improves arterial health by reducing levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Garlic is beneficial for heart health and high blood pressure, especially in older adults. Eating garlic not only helps clean the arteries, but also prevents calcium deposits, reducing the risk of calcification in the coronary arteries. 8. Olive oil. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil, when mixed with bad cholesterol particles, are less likely to oxidize. This reduces the likelihood of LDL cholesterol attaching to artery walls and forming plaque. Therefore, olive oil should be added to your daily diet to help cleanse the arteries in the following ways. Extra virgin olive oil provides essential fatty acids, promoting the natural cleansing of artery walls. Using olive oil helps eliminate excess cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Antioxidants in olive oil protect against free radicals, preventing arterial hardening. 9. Green tea. One of the foods that protect us from heart attacks is green tea. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants that help protect the heart. Catechins in green tea also aid in lowering cholesterol levels and improving metabolism. Drinking 2 cups of green tea daily increases arterial flexibility, enhancing blood vessel function, supporting artery cleansing, and reducing fat in the blood, thereby preventing heart disease. Green tea also contains a potent antioxidant, flavonoids, which can strengthen the inner cells of blood vessels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 10. Grapes. Grapes contain flavonoids, the pigment responsible for the grape's purple color, quercetin, and resveratrol, which can prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a type of cholesterol harmful to health that contributes to plaque formation on artery walls. Regularly eating grapes not only helps cleanse the arteries, but also reduces the risk of blood clot formation, thereby lowering the risk of heart attacks in individuals. We've just shared some incredible foods that help cleanse your arteries, boost heart health, and improve circulation. For the best results, along with adding these foods to your diet, be sure to keep up a regular exercise routine to keep your body strong and flexible. Also, try to limit processed foods and unhealthy fats, and remember to drink at least 2 liters of water daily to support your body's natural cleansing process. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest health tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.